Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, I will be discussing the legal maxim falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus. Falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus. Falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus is a Latin phrase meaning false in one thing, false in everything. At common law, it is the legal principle that a witness who testifies falsely about one matter is not credible to testify about any matter. If the testimony of the witness on a material issue is willfully false and given with an intention to deceive, the court may disregard all the witness testimony under the falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus rule. Nature of the legal maxim. This is not a mandatory rule of evidence, but is applied by the courts in its discretion. Nasa court na po kung gusto nilang i-apply yung rule. The court may accept and reject portions of the witness testimony, depending on the inherent credibility thereof. The legal maxim falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus in relation to credibility of witness. The principle of falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus is not strictly applied in this jurisdiction or here in the Philippines. It deals only with the weight of the evidence and is not a positive rule of law. Modern trend in jurisprudence favors more flexibility when the testimony of a witness may be partly believed and partly disbelieved, depending on the corroborative evidence presented at the trial. It is the responsibility of the court to make an attempt to separate the falsehood in a testimony from the truth in the same way as grain is separated from the chaff. If it is not possible to separate the truth from the falsehood, then under those circumstances, the entire evidence or the statement given by the witness can be disregarded by the court. If the court intends to apply the legal maxim, the following must concur. First, the witness must be shown to have willfully falsified the truth on one or more material points, and second, that there should be conscious and deliberate intention to falsify a material point. To end, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos.